Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to stay a while by clicking that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss another video. Today's video is going to be super quick and easy. I have two easy DIYs for you guys, so if you want to see how I put them together using things I already had, go ahead and keep on watching the video. So I'm starting off with this black acrylic paint. I was going to say acrylic glue. And these round dowels. I was looking for bigger ones, but these are the ones I had, so I'm going to be using several of them to get the thickness that I need. I just went ahead and painted everything with the black paint, and I used one of those foam pieces just to have them stick up so that way it would make it easy for me. Next, I took 3 of them and glued them together because I needed something that would be somewhat thick to create the candle holders I was trying to do. So I got something that looked like this. So because I'm going to be using a little plastic bowls from the Dollar Tree, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use the dowels. The next thing I did was use this old pot that I had from a previous DIY, and I just went ahead and painted that black also. And I also painted the foam area because it was green and kind of like messed up. So here are the magnetic buttons that the Dollar Tree carries. They're just regular magnets, they're just round, and I made sure I had the pieces that were going to attract each other, facing each other, and then I glued one piece onto the dowel stick that I glued together, and then I inserted that into the foam of my little pot. And in order for the Tealight candle holder to hold, I'm using this little plastic bowl, and I use the other side of the magnet inside of the bowl. So that way I didn't have to make any holes and nothing came out lopsided, and it was really easy because those magnets are pretty strong. Next, all I did was take a Dollar Tree Tealight and I wrapped it in some diamond wrap, and I added a little bit of diamond wrap at the bottom, and then one of those little, what do you call, knobs at the top, and this is what I came up with.
I love the way you kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breaths just with the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the sky.
For the next DIY, I'm starting with these 2 vases from the Dollar Tree. I tried to paint them with the acrylic paint, but I ended up spray painting them. But everything else, I just used the same paint and continued to paint everything in black. I don't know, I was in a black mood that day. So I used one of their little saucer bowls, I don't know, and these candle holders that the Dollar Tree has a bunch of. So when my paint was dry, I started assembling the vases together, and I just use hot glue for this because everything is sitting on top of each other. But obviously if you want this to be permanent, use E6000. My paint was a little bit thin, but it turns out that if the light is not shining through it, it was okay. So I just left it like this. I added some hot glue around the rim, and then I just started gluing everything together and stacking them. Once I had everything stacked together, I actually made 2 of these. So the first one, I had put the candle holder at the bottom, but the second one, I just left the bowl, and I wanted to use these little mirrors. This kind of was a second thought after the fact. I have these little mirrors I bought on Amazon, which I will link below. They are very small, and I actually thought they were bigger. And I decided to just kind of do a design at the base of the vase. So I'm just gluing them on using some hot glue and just kind of staggering them. I'm not going to do it all around. I'm just doing it to create a design of like 4 mirrors or 5 mirrors together. And if you wanted to, you could actually use these as legs and not use the bottom piece at all. is the final look, you guys. I hope you like it. I really love the way this turned out. The black is such a contrast with everything. It's very different from a lot of the things that I've done before, but I really like the mirrors also at the bottom. So if you really like this video, I guess I'm saying really like a lot. If you like this video, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know which one of the two DIYs was your favorite. And if you don't follow me on social media, meaning Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. God bless, and bye-bye.